Here we have a 69 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with £6,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website, but just to mention a few, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We also have the visibility package as well. Got the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition with the blue brake calipers just behind. With the blue exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills. We also have the gloss black front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Right to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae just there. We also have the rear spoiler lip as well on the tailgate. And then making our way around to the rear, you find the front and rear parking sensors with their visual display, and we do also have a reversing camera as well. We have the rear diffuser with the dual exhaust, and then back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, coming into the back first, you find that we have the full black leather interior combined with the blue stitching, with the M Sport style seat belts. We also have the fixed ISO points as well. Got the climate control for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors along with the ambient lighting. Again, at the front we have the same full leather interior. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights. We have the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you find the digital dash in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. We do have the speedometer and the cruise control just there on the left hand side. Volume buttons on the right. We have the high beam assist just here. We have the heads up display as well up here. Now if anything is flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. As you can see, we are also free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Got the main screen in the centre. Again, if that's flickering, it's just the camera. Shortcuts down here, so click onto the media. You find we have the radio stations. We do also have the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Going on to the apps, you find we have all these apps which are currently installed, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Go on to home, go on to car, then if we go down onto settings, you'll find we have the interior ambient lighting just here, with plenty of colours which we can choose from. Further down from there, you find we have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Got the climate control, the heated seats as well on either side, all working as they should do. We have the automatic gearbox, put that into reverse, and you find we have the reversing camera appear on the screen. We also have the different drive modes just here, so the adaptive drive mode. We also have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. Got the electric handbrake, the wireless phone charging and the cup holders, leather armrests in the centre as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fire at the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We do also have the speedometer and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Got the digital dashboard just here in front of us, which can show different displays that we've seen on the photos and also the walk around video. Now if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We've also got the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle, which really does sound incredible. Got the full leather interior, perfect for them long distance journeys. Very comfortable, you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have plenty of features in this vehicle, for example the ambient lighting, we've got the wireless phone charging, the main screen just here in the centre, again packed full of features, currently showing the sat-nav, also has the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. We've got the free-zone climate control in this vehicle with the ice-cold air conditioning, and we do also have the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn. So waiting for this car to pass, I may make the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the reversing camera appear on the screen. Put it back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.